Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, enjoying your life. So friends, welcome back to your own YouTube channel. This is Shivani Gupta and I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. The purpose of this video, it's very simple friends, and literally it's very engaging as well. Like if you watch this video, you will gonna learn and you will gonna see how you can also make request, or whenever you go to restaurant, how can you speak in English like a pro one, or not just a pro one, I would say, because you know that friends, I'm a learner, so I have tried to, I would say, collect and to gather the whole phrasal verb, the important vocabulary that we can use when we go out to dine out or to eat out in a restaurant. What are the vocabulary, what are those phrasal verb, I will update you, I will let you know one by one in this video. But before I begin, I would like to make a humble request friends, that is, please watch this video till the end and bear with me. I will not gonna take much of your time. I will just take 10 minutes, or I would say less than 10 minutes maybe friends. So yeah, just please stick to the video. The scenario or the discussion of the day is how we can order food in a restaurant. Suppose, although we normally go in a restaurant and order food in our local language, but by chance, or maybe just in case, if you have you are going out in a very fancy restaurant, or in a very, I would say, vibrant kind of restaurant that has aesthetic vibes in it, how would you order food? You will don't you try to order in English so that you can flaunt at least, oh, I know English, like this only. Don't you want to try in English language, or not just English, don't you want to use some, I would say, phrasal verb in English? If no, then please do let me know in the comment section. But if yes, then please believe me friends, this video is particularly and specially for you. See friends, it happens with me also. I would say, earlier I was not able to order food in English, but now at least I have tried and I've learned it. Although I have not become a pro one, but having said that friends, at least I'm trying and I'm learning, and I believe that I have improved a lot and still I'm improving. See friends, पहली चीज़, जब हम रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, किसी भी रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने, रेस्टोरेंट ये इसकी करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन है. सो वेन एवर वी गो आउट और टू डाइन आउट इन अ रेस्टोरेंट, व्हाट वी डू फर्स्ट, हम या तो कभी पहले रिजर्वेशन करवाएंगे. अगर रिजर्वेशन नहीं करवा रहे हैं तो हम डायरेक्टली मतलब जाएंगे. If we are making a reservation, we can say I have booked or I have reserved a table for 2, or it could be for 3, or if you are going with a family member, you can count the member and tell them. So if you have booked the table online, then only you can mention this, that I have booked the table for 2, or I have a reservation for 2 people, or I have booked a table, something like that. Okay. But suppose if you're directly going to eat out or to dine out in a restaurant, eat out means बाहर खाने जा रहा है, या फिर आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में खाना खाने जा रहे हैं, कैफे में खाना खाने जा रहे हैं, that is called eat out. When you are going to dine out specifically, that means you are going to dinner out, or like dinner खाने जा रहे हो कहीं, आप बाहर खाना खाने, दोनों का although mean same ही है, both have same meaning, literally, believe me guys. Yeah. So what the first and foremost thing that you will gonna do when you enter in a restaurant is, you will sit down after checking the space, and suppose if you have booked the table, you will gonna say I have made a reservation for 2. Then they will provide you a seat. You will gonna sit down, and then what usually would you do? You will ask for the menu. If the menu is not on your table, then you will be simply calling to the waiter, and you will say, can I have the menu, or can I see the menu? Can I have the menu, or can I see the menu? First one have, second one is see. क्या मैं मेन्यू देख सकता हूँ, या क्या मैं मेन्यू? So the waiter will come to you and he will hand over the menu to you. Like, please sir, order. Would you like to order something? He will gonna ask you, would you like to order something? And you will say, yes, I'll go with if you wanna order cappuccino, let's suppose. So you will say, I will go with cappuccino along with the garlic noodles. Or if you have something like what would you like to suggest me? If you want to know from the waiter itself, So you can say what is today's special, what is today's special, आज क्या है special, or what would you recommend to me, what would you recommend. So the waiter will recommend, or the waiter will tell you what is the special menu of the place. So you can ask him or you can order by yourself, like I'll go with this, I would like to have. This is one of the, I would say, most important phrasal verbs when you are going to going in a restaurant to dine out or to eat out. First thing you can say, I would like to, the dish name, and I would like to have this one also, or I'll go with this one also is the correct one. So you can use n number of phrases, and I would like to have, I would like to order, and I'll go with this. So yeah, could you please bring me, or may I have something like this, may I have like I would say a glass of warm water. So this is how you can order whatever you want to order. Let's suppose I would like to order a cappuccino, I've already told you, with garlic noodles along with a grilled sandwich. So this is how I can order. And the waiter will tell me, okay, would you like to add something along with this? So I would say, I'll tell you later on. Then the waiter will go and he will tell me like, okay, I'll get your order in just no time. Like मैं अभी लाता हूँ तुरंत के तुरंत. So I would be like, okay, go and get me the order. You can take your time and I'm waiting here. So maybe the waiter will come after some time. He will serve you the order what you have ordered to him, and you will eat the food. And the food is extremely delicious. I would say delicious, mouth and looking so tempting before, like a tempting, mouth watering, that you cannot hold yourself to eat it. So it would be like, oh my god, this food looks so delectable. Delectable मतलब बहुत टेस्टी लग रहा है. माउथ वाटरिंग मतलब मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, इतना टेस्टी लग रहा है. एंड आप कह सकते हो दिस फूड लुक्स हेवनली, एकदम इतना अच्छा दिख रहा है, स्क्रम्शियस, बहुत टेस्टी दिख रहा है. So this is how you can describe the food that you have ordered, or maybe that you want to order. So see, this is the again the phrasal verb. Then the order will served by the waiter. You will have your food, you will gonna eat it, and then at the end, what, the payment thing, the payment I would scenario will happen. The waiter will come to you and he will gonna ask you, sir, ma'am, would you like to order something else? Then you would be like, no sir, this is enough, we are completely full, so we would like to pay for that. So the waiter will ask you, would you like to pay by like in cash or by card, or like by online method? So the method, whatever method you want to pay, you can use, like I will pay in cash, or I'll pay by card, or I'll pay by UPI. So this is how you can use and pay him, and pay the restaurant bill, and you can go to your house. But suppose if you want to split the bills मतलब बांटना चाहते हो बराबर में, अगर अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ गए हो. और टू गो डच मीन्स आप इक्वली मतलब बांटना चाह रहे हो. सपोज मैं गई अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ, एंड 200 का बिल आया, एंड वी वर टू देयर. So we two were there. So I can say 100 will 100 I will pay, and the rest 100 my friend will gonna pay. So this is how we have gone dutch the bill, or we have split the bill. So you can also use these phrasal verb while going out in a restaurant, or to dine out, I would say, or to eat out. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed, please friends do let me know in the comment section. And if you have not enjoyed the video, if you have not learned something out of this video, although my purpose was not to make you learn anything, the purpose was this video is just simply a discussion among all of us, and I'm here to improve my communication skills, to improve my spoken English along with you friends, because I want the same with you also. Because if you, I know you are a serious learner, you have the potential, you have the caliber, and you really want to learn spoken English. You have the burning desire in your heart, you are burning the midnight oil and actually oil, and you want to be a fluent speaker. But the thing is that I don't know why you are stopping yourself, and what if the other will gonna say, how if people will gonna make fun of me. No friends, literally, if you don't start speaking, people will always gonna judge you. They will always gonna say something or the other for you. But when you take your first step in your journey, Believe me friends, the first step may seem hard for you or may seem a bit tough to you, but if you will gonna take the second step and the third step slowly and gradually, you're gonna see the improvement. That okay, I'm getting improved, I'm becoming fluent more and like day by day, or I'm getting improved, I have been improving a lot. So this is how the change will come within yourself, and you will gonna feel the change. You will gonna see the change. People will gonna notice you. People will gonna compliment you. That oh my God, Shivani, your English is getting, I would say, improving day by day. You are becoming so confident. You are becoming so fluent. So see friends, this can also happen with you. If the key thing is that success and fluency requires a lot of effort and consistency as well. So friends, just be consistent, keep practicing, keep shining, and I'll see you with another one just like this one. Till then friends, take care and bye bye.